Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to reset and customize TikTok FYP. For You page is filled with the video assembled by TikTok algorithm. It's designed to present you with a collection of videos you should enjoy based on your behavior in the app. How you reset TikTok's For You page. First, you need to go to the search option in the bottom and you need to click the search bar in here. Now you need to clear all your recent searches. So click on this wrong icon to clear your recent searches. And next you wanna go to your cache section of the TikTok. You are going to wanna clear your old cache. So tap on thin icon in the bottom right corner. Then click on these three lines in the top right corner. Now you need to go to settings and privacy option in here and scroll down here. You can find this free up space option. So tap on it. Then you need to clear your old data. So tap on this clear button to clear your old data. Now you should go to the home page. Click on this heart icon only for the videos you want to see. Select the video you don't want to watch and tap on it and wait for a while. Then you can see this. So tap on this not interest option to hide them. And you can see only the videos you like on TikTok For You page by going back to the search option and searching only the videos you want. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.